Hi friends, as a high-end complete smart home solutions, I am going to show you so many different designs of smart switches, panels and thermostats. These products are compatible with all brands of KNX. These switches are very friendly, comfort and enjoyable. First of all, I am going to show you their indicator control status function. Now I am going to control their indicator status red, green, blue into different colors as our wish. So second, they have their own sensor when there is no anybody to control it, so they are going to sleep. After this, when someone will come and he want to open, when he will touch it, these switches will show their indicator. So this is also a very enjoyable and friendly feature.